Hello folks. Today we bring you the latest news from the tech world. Today, we have some groundbreaking news from the social media giant, Twitter. The Twitter bird has officially flown away. Yes, you heard it right. The iconic blue bird logo that represented Twitter for over a decade is no more. Instead, it has been replaced by a new, intriguing, X logo. The news was announced by Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur and CEO of X Corp, who revealed the new logo over the weekend. Remarkably, within a matter of hours, Twitter underwent a complete transformation, embracing the X logo at the top left of its homepage. Musk further confirmed that typing x.com will now lead users to the new Twitter experience. However, it's essential to note that Twitter.com remains the platform's primary domain. Here's an interesting twist: the new logo used by Twitter was crowdsourced directly from Elon Musk's followers. The inspiration behind the X logo came from a Twitter user named Sawyer Merritt, bringing a sense of community involvement to the rebranding. The rebranding isn't just about a new logo. It's about transforming the entire Twitter experience. Twitter's CEO, Linda Yaccarino, gave us a glimpse of their grand plans for the platform. She described X as the future state of unlimited interactivity, centered around audio, video, messaging, payments, and banking. The vision is to create a global marketplace for ideas, goods, services, and opportunities, all powered by AI. According to Yaccarino, this rebranding is an exceptionally rare opportunity for Twitter to make another big impression. She believes that Twitter's past accomplishments were just the beginning and that X will propel the platform to transform the global town square. Did you know the origins of X.com are deeply rooted in Elon Musk's entrepreneurial journey? Back in 1999, it was a brand that later transformed into the widely known PayPal. Fast forward to 2022, Musk revealed his plans for X Corp, and the acquisition of Twitter followed suit. Musk's ambition to create an everything app, akin to the Chinese tech giant WeChat, is now closer to reality with this rebranding. The change from Twitter to X Corp was just the beginning, and now the X logo stands as a bold symbol of the transformation ahead. The X logo isn't just confined to the platform. It's being embraced by Twitter's employees as well. CEO Linda Yaccarino and other company personnel are now represented by the new stylized X on their profiles. This massive rebranding isn't just limited to the web version. Even Twitter's official account, @Twitter, has now been changed to @X, with the new logo and a bio that reads, "What's happening?" While many companies opt for subtle rebrands, Elon Musk's unconventional approach involves crowdsourcing the new logo from his followers. This collaborative effort is a testament to the power of community and the future direction of Twitter as X. But as the transformation continues, it's clear that Elon Musk's X Corp is determined to create an all-encompassing, everything app that will redefine how we interact and connect. There you have it, the revolutionary rebranding of Twitter into X. With its unlimited interactivity, AI-driven capabilities, and global marketplace ambitions, the future of Twitter has never looked more promising. Stay tuned for more updates as we follow this exciting transformation. Thank you for joining us. Be sure to like and subscribe to Tech Talk News for the latest updates from the tech world. Until next time, stay connected and stay curious.